Level 3 is I can work with square roots and cube roots in context of a problem. So in number 3, it says the area of a rectangle is the square root of 150 x to the 4th y to the 7th, and the width is the square root of 30 x y to the 4th. Find a simplified radical expression for the length of the rectangle. So the area of a rectangle equals the length times the width. So if the area is the square root of 150 x to the 4th y to the 7th, and we know its width is the square root of 30 x y to the 4th. In order to find its length, I need to divide both sides by the square root of 30 x y to the 4th. So if I continue over here, if I have the square root, I'm going to make this a big square root of 150 x to the 4th y to the 7th over the square root of 30 x y to the 4th. I want to simplify within first. It'll just make it a little bit easier for us. 150 divided by 30 is 5. So remember, you still have the square root. And then you've got x to the 4th and x on the bottom, so it'll be x to the 3rd on top. And then you've got x to the 7th, y to the 4th, so it'll be y to the 3rd on top because the exponent is larger. So now I've just got a square root in the numerator, which is great. And then that is not quite your answer yet. That is just the simplified one. So if you got the square root of 5, x to the 3rd, y to the 3rd. So now we got to break it down. We got the square root of 5 times the square root of x to the 3rd and the square root of y to the 3rd. 5 can't be broken down, so that's just the square root of 5. 3 divided by 2 is 1 with a remainder of 1. So you've got an x that comes out and an x that's left over. And same thing with y to the 3rd. 3 divided by 2 is 1 with 1 remainder. So you have a y that comes out and a y that's left. So your final answer would be x, y, square root 5xy.